Alright, so this is the Muji Electric Kettle, and there wasn't any videos that I saw about this online, so I decided to do one. I got this at the Palo Alto store. It retails for $100, but I got a 10% off on it because of my student ID. So yeah, basically this is how it comes. It has this little tag on it. Really well packaged. Seems to be, this is the base where put it on so it can start cooking. Some of this is going to be off camera, my bad. So this is what this looks like. Manual. I think that's about it, guys. Here's the kettle. Alright, so this is everything that it comes with. The manual, the base, power cord, which is connected to the base, as you can see. You can wrap it around, and the kettle itself, which is right here. And it feels pretty sturdy. Yeah, it's pretty sturdy. That's what it looks like on the inside. See that? And then it's got and then it's got this lock here, so you can lock it so it won't. This is so the water won't come out while if it tips over or something. So you can lock it there, and then here is the on-off switch. You see? Alright, now to plug it in. Alright, so now we have some water in there. Let's see how it works. Alright, so you see the light just turned on, and then it's basically when it's ready it'll just turn off. So let's see how long that takes. So there we go. In total, I think it just took about like 2 minutes to do its thing. So, and that was almost all 500 milliliters. It was about 450 milliliters of water. Alright, so now I have the kettle here, and I'm going to just pour out the water. I don't really have anything on there, just water, just so you can see. And I don't know if you can see it, but it is very hot. Yep, and it's definitely boiled water.